Hey everybody, today I'm showing you my favorite Excel keyboard shortcut to enter a sum formula quickly into Microsoft Excel. And so as you can see here, we've got some data, and if you want to sum this really quickly, just press Alt and Enter. And that enters the sum formula, and it automatically identifies the rows that you have data in, and then press Enter, and the formula works. So that, again, that's Alt Enter. And if that's something that you like keyboard shortcuts, click the subscribe button to stay up to date on my videos, all my videos on Excel keyboard shortcuts. And it also works horizontally, so you can, like you see here, you've got a row of horizontal data. You can press Alt-Enter, and the same thing, Excel identifies all of those different cells and enters that sum formula in for you automatically, and then you just have to press Enter. So quick video today. If you need some practice data, click the link in the description for a copy of this spreadsheet so you can practice on your own. And thanks for tuning in today.